Hey guys, how's it going? How to set up limit orders on Kraken. So first of all, go ahead and download that Kraken Pro so you can see the charts and start your trading. Click the arrow thing at the bottom middle, right? And just set up your order to buy or sell crypto. And as you can see right here, you're gonna see the order type, limit, take profit, trading stop limit, or iceberg, or stop loss, or market, right? In my case, I'm gonna set up the limit, and basically go ahead and select the price and select the amount of Bitcoin that you want to buy, right? And then just go ahead and see right the available balance. We're gonna see right here, and the estimated fee for Kraken, and basically click the green button after you finish, and basically that's it. Let's wait on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.